WT time.
Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s.
Almost
South winds
WT.
10 to 15 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour.
So
in
almost
the afternoon.
WT time.
Gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly
They
cloudy
like to
in
do
the
their
evening,
tests
then
right on the
becoming
spot.
mostly cloudy. Not as cool with lows in the upper 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the evening. And now the extended forecast. Friday, partly sunny in the morning, then clearing. Breezy with highs in the mid-70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, increasing to 20 to 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Friday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Breezy with lows in the lower 50s. Saturday, a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Mostly sunny with a slight chance of showers. Cooler with highs in the lower 60s. Temperatures falling into the mid-50s in the afternoon. Chance of rain 20%.
Alexa, what time is it?
Saturday night,
It's 10
mostly
a.m.
clear. Much cooler with lows in the mid-30s.
They like to do the
Sunday,
test right
sunny.
on the spot, so
Highs
it should
in
go
the
off any
50s.
minute now.
Sunday night, clear.
That's what happened last time.
Lows in the mid-30s. Monday, sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Thursday through Tuesday. There is a chance of thunderstorms Friday night and Saturday, mainly east of the Interstate 35 corridor. A few storms may become strong or severe, with the primary hazards being hail and damaging winds. The ultraviolet index forecast for December 6th is 3, or moderate.
Here we go.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Fort Worth. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system for weather radio station K-East C55. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard.
Don't do this to me right now while I'm recording.
Performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday afternoon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed
Darn.
to the next available good weather day. Reception
Darn
of this
phone
broadcast
screen.
and its message will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Bosque, Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Urath, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Somerville, Tarrant, and Wise. This concludes the test of weather radio station K-East C55. The current time is 10:03 a.m. Central Standard Time. You're listening to NOAA.
I think there's something wrong with my 262, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Required weekly is a go. Location: all, single, multiple, all. What Location. Signal reminder. Alert reminder. Alert mode. Alert channel. Backlight. Oh! My WR120 is dead. Wait, let's see if it goes off for...
Partly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s.
Let's see if it goes off
Lows in the
for...
mid-30s.
See if it goes
Monday,
off for
sunny. Highs in the lower
KC56.
60s. Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper
I
30s.
really need to get an adapter for this.
Mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Thursday through Tuesday. There is a chance of thunderstorms Friday night and Saturday, mainly east of the Interstate 35 corridor. A few storms may become strong or severe, with the primary hazards being hail and damaging winds. The ultraviolet index forecast for December 6th
Here it
is
comes.
3 or moderate. The current time is 10:05 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Did they already do their test?
You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KAC 56, serving the Dallas Fort
Don't know if they already did their test.
The following reports of weather, temperature, and wind were made at 10 a.m. DFW Airport, partly sunny, 52, dew point 33, relative humidity 48%, wind south at 8, pressure 30.41 inches and steady. Dallas Love Field, partly sunny, 52, southeast at 10. Fort Worth Meacham, mostly sunny, 50, southeast at 8. Arlington, mostly sunny, 52, southeast at 10. McKinney, mostly sunny, 50, southeast at 9. Denton, mostly sunny, 50, south at 9. Elsewhere around the region, Wichita Falls, sunny, 52, south at 13. Abilene, sunny, 60, south at 10. Waco, mostly sunny, 52, east at 5. Tyler, mostly sunny, 52, east at 9. Once again at 10 a.m., DFW Airport, partly sunny, 52, south at 8. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Today, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s.
I think they already did their
East
test.
winds around 5 miles an hour,
Don't know.
becoming south this afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Not as cool with lows in the upper 50s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour after midnight. And now the extended Fort Worth Meacham. Sunny, 50, southeast. Love Field, partly sunny, 52, southeast at 10.
Oh, that's something. You can go to the... None of my radios do that. You can go to the menu with the radio on.
Elsewhere around the region, Wichita Falls, sunny, 52, south at 13. Abilene, sunny, 60, south at 10. 52, east at 5. 9. Once again at 10 a.m., DFW Airport. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas. Highs in the mid-60s. East wind. Partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s.
Alright, KC56's test. No, what? I can't speak. KC55's test. Hope you guys like my videos. Comment, like, and subscribe. I gotta take a... See you guys in my next one. Peace.